E for marketwizards.com, e-minningwizard.com, and it's about 11:10, September 25th, 2019. Mining traders use risk capital you can afford to lose. All right, let's take a look at how we've adjusted. We said be very careful about overthinking this lower level today below yesterday's low. Above that, we're bouncing. So we start, once we get down to new lows, was a 20-point trade that basically 52 support we've called is still intact. That's still our support, still broken. And we've had a substantial bounce, but we've run into the 40 back on the weekly. This high is still the controlling high. Once that goes, my assumption is the low is in. So right now, all we know is we've got a range trade. And typically, once we evacuate a couple of boxes, and I'm thinking that this is now our resistance box. This is the box that needs to get resolved. And this box is our support box. So basis this idea right now, we're using the 61, 62 as our support. We're also obviously using this 82, say the 85 as our resistance zone. Anybody long side should get paid. There's a great thrust against, and that's typical which we get in corrective markets. We can get these sharp bounces. You got to take your stop out. Some traders love to buy it and keep guessing, but when it ends, then traders will look again one more time, see if there's anything as profits get taken. So paid for sure, 75 to 78 if you're long. And let's take a look. We've got the same scenario on our TY. Marginal low. Widget is doing a fantastic job of just resetting the lows and doing the calculations. Here's your 40 back right here. We have lost the 62.5 big pivot. So we're testing for support, obviously. And the NQs. And same thing here. Obviously, this is a controlling high right there. And then the next one. So keeping an eye here on yesterday's low if you're trading NQ, and then also obviously the break right here. So the indexes seem to be in sync right now when they're bouncing. We got a 40 back bounce. Reminder, 40, 50, 60 back. And that can get retested up here too. Doesn't have to be done today, but that is a third time through trade right there. 1, 2, 3. And also can get retested once we get above, obviously, the 78. It looks to me like the low could be in. That's the way I'm going to treat it conservatively. We said today we want to be conservative. Think about stolen range. And in a stolen range, basically what I'm saying is we did most of an expected potential range. We did it, most of it in one day, little bit left, and then we catch the lates who miss this move and are too eager to jump in and think we're going down forever. That's the psychology of this trade. And you need to pay attention, obviously, to things like moving averages to help. So right now we've trapped some traders, and this low right here is the controlling low. Right there. till that gets beat. That's holding the shorts captive. If you've had a good morning, lock your profits. Still a range type trade. I say that before we're done, that high goes right here. I think that's the goal of the boys. Try to take that high out. May happen at lunch. And that was at basically 80, 79, 75. I think that's the goal, knock that high out. And what they try to do is keep the shorts from holding position by knocking out stops. And you may get another swing backwards.